In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable sites to use JavaScript on your Google Chrome browser. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on these three dots, and from this list go to settings here. Now from here, go to this search bar and then search for site settings. And as you can see, site settings is here, and this can help us to control what information should be allowed and not. And now under this, scroll down until you get to content, and under content you can see we have now JavaScript here, and if you tap on it, you can see the site is set to not allow site to use JavaScript. So to enable this, just go ahead and tap on site can use JavaScript by tapping on that, and now we have enabled our site to use JavaScript. However, if you want to go ahead and block specific websites from using JavaScript on your browser, you can go ahead and block those websites here by tapping on not allowed to use JavaScript, which is this. So if you go ahead and tap on add, you can add any website and then it will be added on the list. So that's how you enable JavaScript on your computer. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.